will you give us a happy ending?
Ang uungas ka rin naman, Tony. Alam ka naman sabihin. Pero malay mo naman.
Ano happy ending yan, Tony?
Sumagot.
Sure, yeah. I mean, anytime you're dealing with characters that have an illness or a sickness, yes, it's definitely heavy. But I would like to think the way we approached it was, Ali's attitude was to live life and not to dwell on the problems that she was facing. And that's why I feel Bea was just perfect for the role, because she brought life to Ali. She literally seized the day, and Bea, she lived, she loved now. And I think, actually Bea said it really well, Kanina. You had two characters, the irony of two characters, where one was giving up on life and one wanted to live life. And that's why when they both met, it's literally sparks, fireworks, and it's gonna be great.
At hiling namin, habang nanonood nga kayo ng pelikula, iniisip nyo sana wag umabot pa sa ending. Kasi ganun nyo siya sana ma-enjoy. So, yun, huwag natin isipin muna yung ending.
Yeah, because parang, yung journey nga ng Nick and Alice is to... And kaya nga yung sinasabi ko, even kay Edward, yung role niya, parang... Ang hirap ikwento kung ano yung role niya talaga. Because there was that role, there wasn't that role before, then came that role, then wala yan, then there came that role again talaga, and that role became really special. So it's just nice. It's just happy to have worked with this. Serious, very serious with this craft and his love life. Atos!
Edward, happy ba sila watching First Love? Your fans, your followers?
Yeah, I think so as well. I just want to thank... We just saw each other yesterday, so chill out. No, so I want to say to all my fans and viewers that I could not be more blessed to have a more understanding and patient fan base. Because I see a lot of, there's so much negativity on social media, and when I see you all in person, it's such a blessing because no one's more patient with me than you guys. So, also, I want to say thank you to everyone here now, especially to you, Kuya Agan and Bea, because as a young artist or actor, I mean, you see a lot of different actors and you see a lot of people saying, "Ay, ganun dapat, ganun dapat." And then you watch TV and you say, "Oh, that's how they should act." And I'm thankful because now I feel I know what. Parang alam ko kung ano yung dapat. Like you should just be real. And I feel blessed because I don't think a lot of actors or newbies get to have that experience and get that advice from veteran actors as well, icons. I just want to say, no, thank you, generally. Wow. Direct Paul, thank you for allowing me to be in this movie as well. I learned so much from all of you guys. And, so much gratitude, and I've never been more proud of anything I've done in my life so far. So yeah, thank you so much to everybody.
Pero alam mo,
Sige nga, babe, please.
ang sarap talaga, ang sarap ng pakiramdam sa amin na mas matagal na sa industry na pag nakakita ka na mas bata sa'yo, tapos tinitignan niya yung craft na to the same way that you look at the craft. Na hindi lang dahil sikat ka or ano yung, alam mo seryoso siya. Ako sobrang saya ko na nakikita ko si Edward habang nagtatrabaho kami sa Vancouver that he takes this seriously. Hindi enough yung famous ka or you have to love what you do and he loves what he does. And it makes me so happy.
Wow.
Yeah, and to add to that, with Edward, it was my first time to work with him, but I found it, he was just really brave, for somebody at his, he's been in the industry for just a handful of years, and for him to say yes and jump into this kind of role, to get to work with, great actors, I think for me if he continues his focus and if he continues to work hard, he's going to be one of those great actors.
May pa-tribute sa'yo, Edward Knapp ngayon.
Stay brave.
PTR.
Stay brave.
Sabi ni Alvin, andito po ako. anything to say kay Albi direct? You've done, ilang days ba siya sa anak?
And I mean,
Vancouver.
and you know, like I said, we're not just saying this because we're promoting the film, but with Albi, what I really appreciate with Albi is he also auditioned for the role.
Okay.
Because his role, I wanted to get somebody, I didn't know who was perfect for the role. I had to see it, right? And for an actor like him, you know, who's done many films, he's been in the industry for also so long, for him to also just come and audition and without any commitment, I thought that was, that meant a lot to me, the fact that he did that. And when he got to the audition, he really prepared for the audition. Hindi lang pumunta sa audition na, okay, you know, he also wanted the role. And he was dressed, yeah, he was dressed for it. I mean, I said Vancouver, Vancouver, so he came in jacket, you know, so that's
Hindi pala yun ang kailangan.
yeah, so, yeah, I mean, the fact that he was willing to audition and he owned the role, and when he went to Vancouver, he totally became Sebastian. And he was also, you know, yes, it's a support role, but very vital also to the story of Nick and Ali.
Wow. Baka si Baby sasabihin din, Queen, go ahead. Okay, Albi.
Hindi, and I was able to connect with him kasi importante yung chemistry namin dun eh. Ano kami, magkapatid at best friend. So, napaka-importante noon na parang dapat madali kaming nagko-connect sa isa't isa. And I was able to do that with him kasi he was also committed.
Si Kuya may sasabihin, Albi, si Aga, si Kuya Aga.
No. Because again, you know, his age, he's not Edward, you know, he's older.
Correct.
So, he's just there on the set, and he snaps in his role. Ganun siya, bigla na lang he's that Sebastian there. And you see him, and he's quiet, he's in, and then he's out. He's in, and then he's out. No, ang galing lang yung ginawa mo nun. And then we even challenged him with one scene.
May reaction.
We even challenged him with one
Ano scene? Ikaw yun eh.
Ano mo yun? In the park. We're eating.
Oh my God!
Yeah. So, you know, last ko ito sasabihin to lahat pinag-uusapan to, and Edward and I just agreed na parang it's just magic really. I keep on saying this, parang even the roles, eksakto lahat, no? It was just nice. So parang talaga thank you Lord. Talaga, oh my God, such a parang wonderful miracle.
Kakalata bang talaga na, nag-enjoy talaga kami. Love namin yung isa't isa. Baka nakikinap na kayo, ina-admire namin yung isa't isa. Pasensya na kayo talaga.
Ay, Albi, reaction sa mga sinabi nila. Direct, parang ganda ng sinabi sa'yo.
Wala lang, sobrang...
Wala lang?
I'm so happy, sorry. Nakakabahan ako eh. Like, nagkakaroon ng times na wala akong eksena, pero I still hang out on set. Yeah, like, I just wanna observe them.
May wonder why.
Tapos kapatid ka ng Queen Bea Alonzo. Kapatid mo ang role, di ba?
Oo.
Wow.
Pero ayaw pa rin niya ikwento kung ano ginawa niya sa Vancouver.
Oo.
Ay, tama na kasi yan.
Secret na natin yun.
Mamaya na lang sa one-on-one. Okay, I think we're good from my end.
Yes, but before anything else, we'd like to say hi to our friends from SM, headed by Miss Ruby Reyes.